Want to level up your eBay game? There's a tool to help you get ahead, and I'm going to be showing you it in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So you can see the tool right here is 3D sellers for eBay, and it definitely helped our client generate around 7,000 in the past month on eBay alone. And there's a link in the description for a free trial and a discount. So you can also try it for 7 days for free. Definitely check it out. It's really good. And then they have a lot of different tools on the left, and I'm going to be diving into them one at a time and how it helped our client increase their sales. So when you type in Monopoly on eBay and you see something that stands out is this one, it says last one in stock, right? And this helps create urgency. So when you click on it, it showcases that this is the last one in stock, but it's secretly not the last one in stock. They have an automation in place. So when somebody buys this, the listing's taken down for about a half a second, and then it's back up, and then it shows one left in stock. So this is an automation to help create urgency that does increase sales extremely quickly, right? So you're going to go to 3D sellers, and you're going to go to listings active. And what you're going to do is say, let's say at your house, you've got 999 units available. But what you're going to do is only have one show up on eBay. So it's going to show on eBay, oh, there's only one left in stock. You turn on this inventory control button, and it's going to look just like this, where it says last one in stock, however many sold. And then when somebody buys, 3D sellers automatically relist your product and shows that there's one in stock again. This helps create urgency and is one of the easiest ways to increase your sales on eBay. The tool pays for itself just with this one. Next is going to be automated replies, right? So you're going to go down to marketing. We were just on the listings tab. Now we're in the marketing tab, right? Messages. And then there's automatic messages where it sounds like it's coming from you. You can create them yourself. So right when positive feedback is received, you can message the buyer and then automatically message them and then thank them, right? And then give them a discount code for your eBay store. So you can be like, thank you so much for leaving us a positive review. Here's a 20% discount if you ever order from us again, right? And that's how you generate more sales and get people to like you. Another one is right when the item is shipped, it'll automatically, so right when you put that tracking number in, it'll automatically message the customer and say, here's the tracking number. Sometimes it's delayed by 2 days. I really appreciate you, right? And that's going to help us resolve tons of customer service issues because that's automated. Because a lot of people are like, where's the tracking? And it's not moving yet. So you can automate that. You can also automate when an item's sold. That's up to you. And then another one, it's really good. This one automatically notifies you and reaches out to a customer that left negative feedback, because you want to get that negative feedback removed as quickly as possible. Right now, the account that we're managing for our client has 100% positive rating, no negative feedback, because we're able to remove the negative feedback so quick and jump on the issue. Next tool is going to be the feedback reminder. So this is going to be automatically reminding customers to leave you feedback. So if a customer forgets to leave you feedback, which they do all the time, what you can do is automatically remind them. You can see right here, sent reminders, we've got 5. You can automatically remind customers and be like, hey, you forgot to leave feedback. Here's a link. And then this tool automatically sends them a link. They just click on it and it takes them right to the feedback so they can leave feedback. This will increase the amount of feedback you get and, of course, the amount of positive feedback, right? So again, you can automate it. Feedback reminders on, you can give 2 reminders. If a buyer purchases multiple items in your store, only send 1 reminder so you don't annoy the hell out of your buyers. So it has so much automation here, and you can really put whatever you want, right? We are a small business and would appreciate you if you left us feedback, right? Something very, very small, short and sweet. You don't want to annoy them, right? And then we have some more settings in the feedback on actually leaving them buyer feedback. So we were just talking about seller feedback, so them leaving you feedback, but you can leave buyer feedback as well. And they're not going to leave you feedback usually unless you've leave them feedback. So this is an automated tool that right when the item's shipped, you leave them positive feedback. Not too crazy, not too hard. Next is that this tool, 3D Sellers, also helps you create a store address. Let me go to the next page, a store address. So you can have a web store that's your own website to showcase your eBay listings. It is search engine optimized and synced to your listings and inventory in real time. And then if they click purchase, they'll redirect it to eBay's checkout. So it's, again, another great tool. If you wanted to send friends, family, or just promote your own store, you can right here. Next is going to be offers. So obviously you want to generate more sales. Some people send offers like, hey, can I have 10% off this? Can I have 10% off? What you can do is anybody who's clicked on your listing, watches your listing, you can set an automation to automatically send them offers. So every month you're sending one offer to everybody who was about to buy and didn't purchase and giving them a 10%, 20% off coupon. And that's going to help you boost sales. So another way to boost sales that's automated, so you don't have to do it all yourself. Last but not least, a template designer. So this is an awesome opportunity to increase your sales and SEO and credibility. So in your description, as you know, eBay descriptions are kind of lame. So this one actually adds photos into the description, makes it a lot more professional. You'll see the top sellers have something like this, and you can actually view the template and you can make it mobile optimized, right? And it's going to showcase your products and things like photos. You can actually put a video on there. You can edit it. And that way your descriptions are going to stand out, make you look professional, increase your credibility, and increase your SEO all at the same time for eBay. So this tool is extremely powerful. I've tried many different tools. Again, right in the description, there's a link. You can sign up for a free trial, try it for free, and then you can always leave if you don't like it, or keep it if you do. But just from, if you set all these up, I'm not guaranteeing, but there's almost a guarantee that your sales will increase on eBay if you do it right. But that's it for today's video. If you want more eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an eBay seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on eBay, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z eBay account management service. This is where we're going to be implementing this tool for you. We're going to be managing your eBay account, all your disputes, removing your negative feedback, increasing sales, doing all of our extra strategies that I haven't mentioned in this video to help you increase your sales. The benefit of this service is you can focus on expanding your eBay product offerings while we're the one doing the day-to-day management, helping you increase your sales, save time, and money. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.